Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and the fans are pouring into the stadium. The tension palpable. We have all the action for you live on EA TV. Hello, good evening to you, and part of the story here is the Al Bayt Stadium by night. 60,000 capacity here. Yeah. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary box, providing expert analysis, is Stuart Robson. And both teams looking to get off to a flying start here on match day 1 for them at the 2022 FIFA World Cup. It's England, and they take on Belgium.
Well, I'm looking forward to this one, Derek. It's so important that you get off to a good start. So let's hope both sides go for the win here and we get an exciting match.
The England first 11. Jordan Pickford is the keeper. Harry Maguire plays alongside John Stones in the middle of the defence. Calvin Phillips plays alongside Declan Rice in central midfield. And the responsibility of leading the line today.
Oh, big moment here, Derek.
Cut out beautifully by Alderweireld. Under a fair bit of pressure. Well, the trend is England's friend. Semi-finalists in Russia in 2018. Runners-up at the last European. Must take the lead here. Well, good defending. Clattered out of there.